In this video, I'm going to give a simple test of the motor, the points, and to some extent the governor. I happen to be lucky enough to get the mating connector from the car. You don't need that. The important thing is the black wire inside. If I can show it, it's on pointer. It's actually this one right here. There's a black wire connected to it. That's actually the power wire. And so what I did is I ran plus 12 volts from a power supply to the black wire and ground to the chassis or to the case. The reason why it's not running is because it's actually at full wide open throttle or watt. You can tell that because it's rotated inward this way. So what I want to do is see if it'll come back out. When it's rotated all the way to watt, that also tests the limit switches, which are below this arm. So limit switches are working. It's all the way to watt. So to get it to go back towards idle, if I just move this flyweights as though they've gone out, the motor moves. If I let it go, it goes all the way back to watt, shuts off. The reason why this one's making a little bit of noise is because I didn't have enough new motor gears, but I have a bunch of them being made. I'll try to show you. There it is. There's the. Sorry about that. I'm trying to hold the camera and the light. See that gear down there? See if I can get this in there. It's a pointer. This gear has a slight crack in it, and it makes a little noise, but it's running. I wouldn't sell it this way. I'm going to put a new gear in this thing. But that's a simple test of the power to the unit, the ground, the governor flyweights, operating the points, and the points operating the motor towards idle. As this thing rises, this is the magnet assembly. It would pull the linkage attached to this towards idle. Because the flyweights are all the way in and the way this is set, it thinks it's going too slow, so it automatically moves it back towards wide open throttle. There you go. It's a 6768. This one could be a Cadillac, or I think it's as common to either the Imperial or the Lincoln. I'm not sure. They just use different levers that go on this that move the linkages, but the unit is the same in those years. That's it for this little demo. Testing using the wiring and the motor and the screw and the magnet. I didn't prove yet the magnet actually holds. I'll do that in another video. And the flyweights operations.